clot fish. Remember good down at seaside every Sunday. Deyma, me I run a file to the Deyma. Remember your whole ceremony. Remember your whole ceremony run a talk fashion, dirty girl. 3/4 blood class treat fuck out your mouth. Nasty girl. When a girl, when a boy or a girl can call up Britney name run a beer, like how me see them a call up for your name. For your big woman, you're careless. Deyma, if I alone left back from my fuck, I wouldn't fuck you. If I go fuck the two batty man them a town. A threesome I do one night. A threesome I go do one night when I left blood clot and Mecca. We know about it. Deyma, then things they love. Cause if you suck 3 cock one time in a bathroom, why would you fuck the two bird them from Mecca one night and they marry them and under NSC? If you suck 3 cock, if you suck 3 cock Deyma in a top fashion bathroom, forget one suit or clothes, for got 27. Why? Why you would fuck the two brother them? Deyma, me know your profile, Deyma. Deyma, you can't size up with me, Deyma. Deyma, you should have got Deyma, listen to man, I bell for your need for go. Cause you see you know no sense. The pussy I get to it, they think your pussy good, but your pussy not good. Nasty girl. Because if you have good pussy, if you did have good pussy, Deyma, figure it out, fuck you in your pussy and she say pussy not tight. So I'ma test out your body hole. I'ma test out your body hole. Because remember, figure it out saying rich, you know. Remember your body boy saying rich, you know. Yeah, remember your body man with a fuck in your pussy saying rich. Deyma, you should have trouble me. Boom, boom, Rascal! Deyma, you shouldn't do it! Deyma, you shouldn't do it! Oh God! Oh God, Deyma, who tell you to trouble me? Who tell you to trouble me? Who tell you to trouble me, Deyma? Who tell you blood clot trouble me? Careless girl! Bumblehole shithouse! Meanwhile, figure it out a fucking your mouth. Meanwhile, figure it out a fucking your mouth. And some gunman a fucking your body. What a threesome. What a blood clot threesome. Bumbo rasclat. What a threesome, Deyma. What a threesome. Man the fucking your body hole and one the fucking your mouth. Jesus Christ, the app turn over. The app turn over. The app turn over, no. The app turn over. Jesus Christ, Deyma. Move, prudent, move. Move. Suck your my Deyma. Suck out your my Deyma. See me and test me. Big old girl. Fuck them your whole of beer. Girl, you back you up your whole of Kingston now. Suck your my Deyma. Deyma, you nobody can size up with me, Deyma. Suck out your man. Your cloth gone. Your cloth gone, Deyma. You're not nobody again. You're orange girl. You're muckers. You're muck truck. You're broke bank. Dirty girl, you're broke bank. Girl, if your pussy ain't good, figure it out to them buy a crown already. Or the markets. If your pussy ain't good, figure it out to them buy the markets. Figure it out to them buy a crown where you look. Cause Deyma, that you left beer for. Sweets. A sweets make your left blood clot be a Deyma. A sweets. A sweets. You left got blood clot apple party with you. For sure how you bad mind and you well one car. You left from blood clot Jamaica. Got apple fish fry. For sure you or you ready eye. You gonna drive the girl brand new Benz. You gonna in a blood clot girl Benz gonna drive because you ready eye. Your pussy can't buy your Benz. Jesus my God, that is so embarrassed. That is so embarrassed. Your pussy cannot buy you a Benz. You're a fucking low life. Ghost, why you didn't sell your soul, Deyma? Why you didn't sell your soul, Deyma? If I saw you really want to buy a car, you fucking nincompoop. Why didn't you tell Vibes Cartel to bring it to somebody who sells soul? So since your links are big, eh? You want money so till you look bad, Deyma. I'm sorry, Deyma. But we can't help you over here, so go look at work. Whether you marry the top big when you go trust the fish them. Chat whether you man are there seaside, you know. Before you go batty up your pussy, you know. Is it before you go shit up your pussy prudent? Is it before she go shit up the pussy prudent? Here are to me upon the seaside now. Oh, I done with TikTok. TikTok is not better than me. I'm a businesswoman. Look, you want to see how she flash her finger them prudent when she a trust the fish them. I didn't even know, so I know. See, I trust the fish them. Because I feel me dog them run on the seaside. You know, seaside will pass down there, so. I feel me dog them on the place. So he come down there and fat gal in morning. He come down there and fat gal in morning, come and trust the fish. And watch him. But when me say but I don't nobody on TikTok is not better than me. But you over here beg now. You over here beg now, Deyma. Move again, Prudent. Move, Prudent. Move, Prudent. Move. Stop your mother, man. You're gonna make two battles.